Oh, brother. I'll give you one guess where I'm at. I'm not at my house. I'm at my mother's. And I used to stay in this bedroom all the time, but now she stays in here. And she gives me the master bedroom. It makes it easier for her to have to walk around to get everything ready, and the bathroom's right here and all that kind of stuff. What am I doing here today? Oh, look it, here's my little friend. Hello there. And her evil sister. Oh. Okay. Well, anyways, I'm here. Why am I here? I've got a to-do list. Every time I come to Motha's, she's got a to-do list for me. Look at this. She had it down to 15. We started talking. I added 16 through 23 so far. And I've got, she's thinking her bathroom sinks are running slow. Okay, so I put that down, and I told her, I said, okay, I'll check on them. So I'm going to check on 2 bathroom sinks. And we're going to check them and see if they're clogged and see how quick. I'm going to show you how quick and easy it is to unclog this sink and the one out in the hallway. If that's what you want to watch, stick around. Now, I have not checked this sink out yet. I wanted you to check it out with me, and I'm going to use this. Look at this. It's called the Zip It. See here? That's what it's called. Zip It. Oh, it's from Cobra. All right, I got this at the Home Depot, and I also have a different one here. It's kind of like the Zip It. It's this black one here. You see that? It's got little hooks on it too. It's a little bit more flimsy. I don't know how well that's going to work, but here's my Zip It. And see the little tongs on it? Those are pretty sharp too. All they did was cut the plastic and kind of pooched it out at an angle. And it's got a little end on it that you can pull. And I'm going to push that down in there and that kind of stuff. And see the Zip It. Unclog your sink, shower, and bathtub. Drains in seconds, it says. I've done videos like this before for you. You can find them on my YouTube channel, but I thought, hey, if you haven't seen this before, you probably might learn something from this particular video. Okay, so yes, I'm not wearing any gloves either. Don't worry, I'll wash my hands off when I get done. And she said she has a feeling it's running a little bit slow. So we're gonna check that out here. I'm just gonna fill that up with water. All right, that's probably enough of wasted water, don't you think? All right, here we go. It's actually going pretty good. I'm thinking that's actually really good. You know how you can hear it go right at the end too. And yeah, it was on my list because I told her I would check it out. Okay, but I'm gonna do a once over on it. I'm gonna take my little Zip It, and see, you should be able to shove it straight down like that. This is gonna go all the way down. Look at this. It's going all the way down into the trap now, and it's curved up on the trap, and you can just kind of move it around, and we're gonna see. We're gonna see if there's anything in it, and yes, there is. Look at this. There is some stuff in here, and I'll wash my hands when I get done. You can push this. You can push this down in different angles along there, and just kind of pull on it. We're gonna pull on it a little bit, and see, this stuff here, look at all that. Look at that, would you? Okay? That's hair that didn't get caught. That's not going down to the trap. That's stuff that's all attached to this pop-up valve here. Okay? And usually, 99% of the time, your sinks get clogged up because of hair getting caught in your pop-up valve, not a hairball that got caught down in your trap. You know what I mean? So when you're putting Drano and stuff like that down here, that's actually not necessarily going to get all this hair as easily from the pop-up valve. All the hair that gets caught in there. Okay, so look at this. I'm still getting stuff out. Yucky, 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 yucky. And it was still, you saw the water was still running down through here nice and easy. And that's because it hasn't been clogged up too far yet. Okay? And we're gonna make sure this hair doesn't get back down in there, right? And let's just kind of do some more tinkering here. And is it going to get every single little bit of hair out of there? No, but it's going to get 90, maybe 95% of it. If you want, you could go down underneath and take the trap all apart and pull and get behind the sink, undo a nut, and take that out, pull the plunger out, pop the pop-up out. But that's not what this video is about. I've got videos on my channel on that, how to unclog a bathroom sink. Go to my YouTube channel page, my main channel page, click on playlists, and then scroll down to plumbing, or there might be a separate area titled how to unclog a bathroom drain, bathroom sink drain or something. Okay? And I'm going to say that that's all I'm going to do on this. I'm going to check the next bathroom sink out with this other one. And this other one is not as stiff and this is more pliable, a little bit thinner, and it should do the same thing. So if you get anything like the Zip It, you know, it should work. That's actually going a little bit faster, but like I say, the first time it wasn't really going that slow. But look, you saw all the hair I got out of there. Look at that. Motha's hair. Ugh. And like I say, don't worry, I'll wash my hands off. I'll wash the whole sink area out. All that kind of stuff when I get done. Don't worry. Okay? Now, how long did that take? It didn't take very long to get that out of there. And I don't know if I'm going to include this next sink, the one in the hallway, on this video or not. Maybe I will. Maybe I won't. Maybe I'll make 2 videos. But keep watching, because I want to try this one out for that next sink. Okay? So now I'm going to spend a few minutes here and clean this up and wash my hands. Oh, that's funny too. Some people get really shook when they see me without any gloves on, but hey, wash your hands when you get all done. Of course, I'm using my main weapon for cleaning, Simple Green, and I've already cleaned everything, and you know, make it look like you were never there. You know what I mean? And give it a little spray, and I've already done it, but hey, always have your Simple Green around. Yeah, and with a sink kind of like this, I probably should have moved all this stuff over here, because you saw some of that stuff had kind of started spitting when I pulled it out. Okay, And I even noticed this handle's loose, so okay. Do that. Grab me some toilet paper. Probably should get a paper towel for that. I got water all the way up here. I'm gonna, well, I guess I can do it with just this. You know, make it look like you were never there when you get done. You know, you don't want to say, oh, hey, I got everything done, and have the sink still dirty and some remnants of your clog that was in there, and the counter hasn't been wiped off, and all that kind of stuff. You know, show a little pride in your work and get her done.